Hello and welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm gonna do my own spin of a dish, a Saudi dish. It's called Margoog. But you know me, I always change food to suit what I like. It's very easy to make and it's really delicious, and it makes an ideal dish if you're fasting. So I'm gonna start with some olive oil. I've got skinless chicken, and we don't need skin on if we're making stew, so there's no need for the added fat. Onions, mixed spice, this is Omani spice, black pepper, ginger, 2 dried limes, cinnamon, chili pepper, bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, garlic, tomato paste, salt, chopped tomato, de-seeded, potatoes, zucchini. I'm not going to cut them small, I'm going to keep them fairly chunky. Aubergine, this is baby aubergine. You can use a big aubergine if you can't find it, doesn't matter. Again, I'm going to cut them 4 pieces. Green pepper. I have some okra. Water. And finally, magic ingredient, saffron. I just love saffron. You don't have saffron, you can put turmeric. Now for the dough that goes in. This is the chapati recipe. You find it on the website. It's using whole wheat flour, and I'm just gonna roll it out thinly and cut them into pieces, and this will be dropped into the pot towards the end. And then you have your protein, your fiber, and your carbs all in one. Just cut it however you want. I'm gonna cut it into squares. The chicken is cooked. I'm gonna drop the dough. If you feel it needs water, you can add some hot water to it. I'm gonna let it cook for around 4 minutes. The dough should be ready by then. Dish is done and it's piping hot. I'm just gonna finish with a bit of coriander. I'm gonna stir it. Taste time. Those spices and the saffron, amazing. Try it.